Tired of wasting money on food your cat ignores? Try these top 5 picks my own picky eater loves. Number 5, Tiki Cat Velvet Mousse. Super smooth, super tasty. My cat licks the bowl clean. Number 4, Sheba Perfect Portions. No more leftovers means no more waste. At number 3, Instinct Original Grain Free. Even my picky cat can't resist the real meat chunks. Number 2, Fancy Feast Classic Pâté. Oldie but goodie, always a hit. And number 1, Weruva Cats in the Kitchen. Gourmet meals your cat will devour, trust me. Give one a try and let me know which your cat loves best.